In this video, we'll explore how to work with Team Workspaces in Requestly. We'll cover what workspaces are, how to create one, invite teammates, switching between workspaces, and configure workspace settings with access control. A Team Workspace syncs all workspace data between members, allowing everyone to work together on HTTP rules, mocks, API requests, and sessions. Whether you're debugging, testing, or managing API workflows, Team Workspace keeps your entire team aligned and productive. Click on the Workspaces option in the navigation bar. Here, you can either join an existing workspace from your organization or create a new one. Let's create a new workspace. Click Add button. Then, enter the workspace name and click Create Workspace. Now, let's invite your teammates. Enter their email addresses in the invite field and click Invite People. You can also create an invite link to share directly. While inviting, you can also set access levels for users, admin, editor, or viewer, depending on how much control you want them to have in the workspace. You can switch between workspaces at any time. This helps separate personal work from shared team projects. Team Workspaces also include settings for managing access and permissions. From the workspace settings, you can revoke or create public invite link, invite new members, and manage roles. You can also update the workspace name, enable rule status syncing to stay update by automatically syncing rule modifications with your teammates, or even delete the workspace if it's no longer needed. Now, let's see how collaboration works in action. Here we have two Requestly accounts side by side, both connected to the same demo workspace. If we create a redirect rule in the first account, the same rule instantly appears in the second account. However, notice that the toggle state of a rule is not synced. That's how Team Workspaces in Requestly keep your team connected and productive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.